Hello, my name is Linh and I'm from Vietnam. There's a few reasons why I want to join this course. The first reason is that this is the time when I need to make a lot of important decisions in my life regarding my career choice, my studying, where I want to do next, where I want to stay. So that's the first reason. And the second reason is I realized that I have some difficult experiences in the past, and I wanted to explore how this past experience have impact on my life now, and what I can do to overcome the past and to live fully in present moment. And last reason, also very practical, is that I love Chiang Mai. I want to go to Chiang Mai, so this is a great opportunity for me to combine learning a course and also stay have a few days holidays in Chiang Mai and in the lovely Earth house. And I think I have learned a lot from the course. I've been able to understand better about myself. I know more clearly what do I want to do in life, what is the goals of my life, and how it's different from the expectations and the life that I supposed to have for my parents, for my family, for my society. And I also know concrete steps and action plan, how I can go about it and what I need to do, what are the obstacles that prevent me from living the life I want, and how I can overcome my fears and take a step-by-step actions to live the life that I find it most fulfilling. So I would recommend the course to anyone who feel like they're missing something in their life and they want to find out what it is, or you know that you want to change but you don't know where to start, how to start. And I also would recommend this is a very safe place for you to just connect with yourself, to be with nature, to reflect on your life, to have some more insight, some guidance or reference information on what you can do, how you can go next. And particularly, I could really recommend the course to the to women, all the women out there who wants to live a more authentic life, to pursue your dreams, and at the same time live in harmony with other peoples, with your with the expectation from families, from friends, and from society. So how can we have a more harmonious life between our own life, our own wish, and other people's wishes? I think last but not least, Luke and Susana are very helpful and kind coach. I can see clear advantages of having a team of male and female coach, and they offer a very nice, very good balance of giving you both structure and also offer you flexibility, have you to help you challenge yourself, but also be kind to yourself. So I think I really enjoy it, and I highly recommend the course. At the end of the course, I feel I can find more love and strength for myself from within. So please come and join us.